Unity message, guys. Please go on. We just finished having the same discussion with the president of I'm sure they fully aware. So when he Nigeria, politician, Biafra, inside job for the past 3 years. And all the Silicon justice have sent this Nnamdi to life imprisonment in Sokoto. Yes, Yana knows every day Nnamdi so much disinformation, panelized from the pit of hell. So, and you're about to ask, Congress of Igbo leaders, through you, Igbo leader, because also that Ipob are strong, united, one family, under one leadership, which is the Directorate of State, in the absence of our people should stop Iba Egusi on social media. We couldn't work it on a memo I hear. Every man, I'm not casting on social media. To anybody and see join the leadership of Ipob now UK and the rest of the world. Nnamdi Kanu has not been forgotten by Ipob and will never be forgotten. Process not got through and those who hijacked the legal process to got through. Unfortunately, you're not well. As the on social media, the only thing Ipob decided is after 5 years. That here we game plan, a strategy, a good one, Nigeria. So the status from here, I told we wanted Biafra. I focus on more than the least mass in the so I went on all the table. No, we will put back Biafra referendum, free Biafra, the injustice and the Christian genocide on top, and then underneath release mass in the because I went to here and I thought Nnamdi will be free. They will suspend the office mass in Nnamdi Kanu. Yes. Not him as a person, because those who hijacked the office when I made this information. Now, because yes. And for the ignorant, I'm not the money. But Ndi Igbo, we say what the whole thing and Ipob resolved now debate institutionalization of Ipob, which was started in 2016. The way politics hold way back. That institutionalization now we mean that what as much as what they call leader of CIM. You need to be a member of Ipob, but even a state, you are a stakeholder. And so is every other Igbo person of note. Yes. Because I know one. The most on your voice, you're not matter. The way he's here, the Supreme Leader, addition na Uzayanaga Uzo. And Uzayanaga Uzo is the for nothing's sake. Yes. And I go forward. That is the only thing they peaceful way. Nigeria will send back. I got block this route. Today, you can know a second division of all those things are lies from the pit of hell. Ipob leadership remains solid. And will remain so till Nnamdi Kanu Kapa. Yes. Till I wanted Biafra. Yes. So much is surrounding Basos here. Yes. Ozo, Igbo. How we water? The Kayano goes in. I pass this message to the Council of Ndi Eze and make sure that Ndi Igbo know this message from my voice even I will speak about I from Germany. Oh, you can't go in the struggle. You know.